Good morning student. Today we will do worksheet number 3, subject verb agreement. I hope you people have understood subject verb agreement, basics of subject verb agreement. So today I am going to do revision of worksheet number 3. Neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. First question, worksheet number 3. First question is, neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. Should I fill the form in blank or blue ink? Either of the two is acceptable. I have seen all the pendants. Each one is fantastic. Everyone whom we invited has turned up. Only one of the 5 contestants is going to win the prize. Much of my homework is already done. Thank you, Metro Rail. Less of my time is wasted in commuting now. So we will see neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally, take, singular. I am going to revise once again. Neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally, take, singular. Once more. Neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally take, singular. So worksheet number 1 over. Worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 3A over. Worksheet number 3B. Now look at the following. None of the work was completed. None of the strategies have worked. A lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. A lot of books have been written on home remedies. A variety of music is available here. A variety of music albums are available here. So none of the work was done. Work is what? Work is amount. We can't count. So if we talk about amount, we use singular verb. None of the strategies we can count. So it takes plural. A lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. A lot of energy we cannot count. A lot of books have been. A lot of books we can count. So here it will be plural. A variety of music is available. We cannot count music, but we can count music albums. So a variety of music albums are available here. Plenty of help has been offered to the poor family. Here help is also quantity, amount. So we use singular verb. Plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. So here plenty of trees. We can count the trees. So here it will be plural. So we have used plural. Now see, some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. Some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount, quantity, they take a singular verb. When these words refer to number, they take a plural verb. None, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of. Okay? So once again I am going to read the remember points to be remembered. Starting, what is subject verb agreement? A finite verb always agrees with its subject in number and person. We can say a finite verb always agrees with its subject in number and person. This is subject verb agreement. When the subject consists of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by an, a plural verb is used. But if nouns and pronouns refer to same person or thing, a singular verb is used. Author and publisher Mr. Sahini is in town to inaugurate the book fair. Here, author and publisher both are Mrs. Sahini, Mr. Sahini. ऑथर भी मिस्टर साहिनी है, पब्लिशर भी मिस्टर साहिनी है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे वर्ब कौन सा यूज करेंगे? सिंगुलर वर्ब, दैट विल बी इज. द ऑथर एंड द पब्लिशर वेर कॉल्ड फॉर अ मीटिंग. द ऑथर एंड द पब्लिशर, हियर ऑथर इज समवन एल्स एंड पब्लिशर इज समवन एल्स. Now next, the comfort and luxury provided by the machine has made people lazy. Her hard work and dedication has paid off. Going to a beach and making sand castles is my idea of perfect holiday. In the above examples, the two nouns either convey the same meaning as in sentence number 1 and 2 or express one single idea. Therefore, we use singular verb. I hope you people might have understood. Look at the following. None of the work was completed. What we are talking about here? Amount. We are referring amount. So when we talk of amount, we use singular verb. जब हम amount की बात करते हैं तो हम लोग singular verb use करते हैं. Clear? जब हम लोग amount की बात करते हैं तो singular verb use करते हैं. None of the strategies have worked. None of the strategies we can count our strategy. हम लोग अपने स्ट्रेटेजी को काउंट कर सकते हैं, तो इसलिए वहाँ स्ट्रेटेजी जैसे पहले मैंने स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई, ओके आई विल यूज ब्लैक बोर्ड, बट यू पीपल स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दैट मैम वो वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, देन आई स्विच्ड ओवर, ओके चलो ब्लैक बोर्ड नहीं यूज करते हैं, और आप ये ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज करने के बदले में लैपटॉप के पास ही आके पढ़ा लेती हूँ. स्ट्रेटेजी सेकेंड स्ट्रेटेजी. अगर यहाँ भी आप लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं मैम जो वॉइस इज स्टिल नॉट कमिंग, तो मैं स्ट्रेटेजी चेंज करती हूँ और मैं अपने नेटवर्क कनेक्शन को स्विच ओवर करती हूँ. ठीक है? और तब भी सही नहीं होता तो मैं बताती कि नो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम माय साइड, प्रॉब्लम इज फ्रॉम योर साइड. तो ये सारी स्ट्रेटेजी हुई ना, हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं. Lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. एनर्जी कैन बी काउंट. मैंने कितनी एनर्जी लगाई आप लोगों को पढ़ाने में, क्या इसको मैं काउंट कर सकती हूँ? आप लोगों ने कितनी एनर्जी लगाई अभी क्लास करने में, क्या आप उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं? ओके डन. Just a minute. Connection go. पता नहीं मेरा स्टार्ट तो हो गया
मैम आपकी वॉइस आ रही है।
My voice is coming. Okay. No, actually, I am not using now. I am switching over to my personal network. What did I say? In my personal network पे switch करके देखती हूँ. चलो. I think now that would be no. Okay. So, okay. Now we are again back. Is it okay? Huh. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we were doing none of the मेरा जियो 5 ही नहीं चल रहा है जियो 5 से कनेक्ट किए तो भी डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ वापस स्विच ओवर के 5 पे ये भी 5 neither of the two words sorry we have done this a lot of energy was wasted a lot of books have been written on home remedies a lot of books can we count the book or not
Yes, ma'am.
we can count the book. So that's why plural. But a variety of music is available. Can we count the variety of music? No, it is
No.
Yes, man. No, ma'am.
music cannot be counted.
No.
No, ma'am.
A variety of music albums are available.
Yes, ma'am. We can count it.
Albums we can count. Plenty of help has been offered to the poor family. Can we count the help? No, we cannot count.
No,
the
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah,
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. Clear? So, none, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of are such words. Cafes means we use verb when it is guided by the number and person according to the number and person. And when it refers to the amount, we use singular. जब amount की बात होती है, when we talk about amount, then we will use singular verb. Understood? ये बात समझ में आ रही है? Some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount, quantity, they today actually connectivity problem is there. Time and again it is being disconnected and we can't help it. So clear? So some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount quantity, they take a singular verb. When these words refer to number, they take a plural verb. Understood? None, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of are such words that are they miss that it finite. अगर वो so what we have discussed two things as words such as neither, nor, either, or, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally said, singular word. Some words can refer to amount and quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount and quantity, they take a singular word. When these words refer to plural. Such words are none, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of. Clear? Very clear? Your concept is clear? यहाँ तक concept clear हुआ? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will switch over to worksheet number C. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Have you seen the sculpture made by him? Each one dash a masterpiece.
Which one is?
Each one is a masterpiece. Neither of the two things
Was.
Where?
was.
Where? Was. Was.
What I said that
Was.
neither, nor, either, or, take singular word. Okay? Much of the hard work of the farmers that been wasted because of the drought was
Has.
wasted. Much of the hard work of the farmers had been wasted because of the drought. Okay. Next, a great deal of literature on the art of cooking that's available in the market.
Is.
Is a great deal of literature on the art of cooking. Is a great deal of literature is available. Next, a lot of appreciation dash shower
Was.
good.
Was.
A lot of people
Are.
good. People can be counted, so it will be are. Next, very little dash known of the Harappan civilization.
Is.
Are. Good. Next,
None of the residents.
none of the residents dash in the house when the
Was.
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 None of the residents. What is there? None.
What?
Some words can refer to amount as well as some words can refer to amount as well as quantity and number. So when we talk of amount and quantity, we will use singular. But when we talk of number, it will be plural. So resident, किसी घर में कितने लोग रहते होंगे? क्या इसको काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता?
मैम काउंट किया जा सकता है.
Less of paper gas consumed these days. Is. Yes. Everyone in the society dash now join hands against corruption.
Have.
Have हैज, एवरीवन के साथ हैज होगा ना, एवरीवन जहां भी होगा वो हैज ही होगा, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. ओके, वर्कशीट नंबर 4. Read the following. The engineer as well as his two subordinates was present at the site. The engineer as well as his two subordinates was present at the site. Ansu as well as the other members of the family of her family is shifting to Mumbai. I as well as Swati am going for a picnic. The doctor with his interns has reached the operations theatre. The child with his parents is waiting outside the principal's office. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as or with, the verb agrees with the first noun. If as well as और with is there, मतलब दो noun या दो pronoun हैं, and these nouns and pronouns are added by, joined by as well as or with, the verb will agree with the first noun or pronoun. ठीक है, इस चीज को ध्यान रखना. With या as well as हो, तो कितने भी nouns या pronouns added हो, the verb will agree with the first one. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अगर as well as है या with है, तो सेंटेंस में कितने भी नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन हो, डजंट मैटर, द वर्ब विल अग्री विद द फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट अगर सिंगुलर है तो सिंगुलर होगा, फर्स्ट अगर प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल होगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, यहां तक क्लियर हो गई? ये कॉन्सेप्ट तुम लोगों का क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some examples are there. The teacher as well as her student is sitting in the class. What is the noun one? First noun क्या है? The teacher.
The teacher.
हाँ. So is agreeing with the teacher. मतलब first noun singular है, तो
Yes.
यहाँ पे singular
Yes,
verb
ma'am.
use हुआ. Richa with her friends
Yes.
wants to participate in the quiz. Richa is the first noun and it is singular.
Teacher.
है ना? So
Yes.
Richa. Okay. Now worksheet number B, 4B. Now look at the following example. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Not only Arora family but I also am coming to the party. Either you or Shima is going to clean the room. Neither Seema nor you are going to clean the room. Okay. फिर से एक बार मैं examples पढ़ रही हूँ. Then we will come to the room. The teacher as well as her student is sitting in the class. Richa with her friends wants to participate in the quiz. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Not only our family but I also am going to the party. Neither you nor Seema is going to clean the room. Neither Seema nor you are going to clean the room. Means when the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also, either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the later on. ठीक है? हाँ, here actually first I अगर सिर्फ neither होगा तो सिंगुलर होगा, अगर सिर्फ either होगा तो भी सिंगुलर, but neither nor either or it will be called means the verb will agree with second. neither nor है तो verb second से agree करेगा, either or है तो verb first से agree करेगा. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Simply neither या either है तो verb किससे agree करेगा?
Second noun से.
तो
Second
इसी
noun
से
से.
देखो, अगर either या neither है तो verb सिंगुलर ही होगा, यहाँ कोई अग्रीमेंट की बात ही नहीं है. ओके, इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है. लेकिन neither nor है तो verb सेकंड से अग्री कर जाएगा, either or है तो verb सेकंड से अग्री करेगा. अगर either अकेले है तो verb सिंगुलर होगा, neither भी अकेले है तो verb सिंगुलर होगा, बट neither nor है तो verb सेकंड वन से अग्री करेगा, either or भी है तो verb सेकंड वन से ही अग्री. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
अब यहाँ पे
Yes,
बता दो, neither of the two brothers dash selected for the team.
Is.
हाँ,
is
या was कुछ हो सकता है. Either of the two is acceptable. ठीक है ना? ये कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have time. When the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also